That is mine. Ayun, lipitan natin si Norta. Ready. And yung kanyang partner nandyan na rin. So, ready na tayo. Ayun, nauna na siya. I put my bag. Ilagay natin yung ating bag. Oh, lala. Gilid tayo. Pasado alas 6 ng hapon, mataas pa yung araw. Gaya ng dati, magbabike ulit tayo. So, kalalabas lang natin sa ating bahay. Ayun, mahangin ulit. It's again windy. Yeah? Yeah, windy but warm. So, ang weather natin.
Even though my Bluetooth is on, he said my phone is only 20%. My phone also comes on here.
Wow. Ayusin natin yung ating camera. Masyadong malayo. Yes. Okay, when we cross the road, medyo mabilisan lang. Yuhu! Lakas talaga ng hangin, guys. Mas malakas kaysa sa noong nakaraang araw. Very nice. She drives fast, the lady. Ayun, panahon para mag-bike adventure, walking adventure. Oh! Oh, the ducks again are here. They are waiting for some adventure. I want to video them. Wait, please. Ayun. I just want to take you a video. Cook. Goose. What happened to your wings? What happened to the wings? Cook. Oh, ang dami nila, guys. Oh. Ayun, ang dami nila. Oh. It's a group. They are in group. The small ducks on the canal, on the water, their wings become big already after 3 days. How easily they grow.
Oh, baby, then you will have tomatoes. Potatoes.
Yeah.
Wow, the pigs are very smelly.
Ito ang hindi ko nababanggit sa aking vlog. Yeah. Si kuya lang nagrereklamo. Pero ako kasi hindi ako nagrereklamo. Dahil nandito tayo sa farm. Yung mga kamarin, kapag ganito na mahangin, nangangamoy. Nangangamoy baka, alam nyo na mabaho. Parang munggo. It's like mung beans, this one.
Yeah.
Mung beans, you also plant mung beans here? Yeah, they are nice.
Time I see that. I don't know what it is.
It's mung beans. I plant like this in the house before, in the yard. Parang munggo kasi guys, oh, pero malago. Ang ganda naman kasi ng fertilizer nila dito. Hindi ko alam kung maliban sa mga tae ng baka, ay naglalagay pa sila ulit ng panibagong fertilizer. Ang alam ko hindi na eh. Dahil napakadami nilang maglagay ng tae ng baka dito sa kanilang mga pananim. O kaya, kasi, they cut the grasses. Ayun. Ayun. Mukhang minanual na, minanual na tinalian. Kasi pag makina ang tagapak, parang bilog-bilog.
Food for the horses in the winter.
Yeah. Oh, they are here. My friends. Oh. They are milking cows. Their dede is full of milk now. Yeah? We go straight. Okay. So this time, ibang kalsada tayo guys. Dito tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito, pero ayun, meron ulit 2 horses dito. This season, this summer, the horses are fat. Look at them. Oh, ayun guys, oh, yung body ng gray. The gray one has a very nice color. Yeah? The skin is good. Oh, lala. Sana makasakay ako ng kabayo. Pero dito yata, nagre-rent. Marami nagre-rent. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, Tekop. Yeah, this house is Tekop. We will buy. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng nature. Oh, lala. Matagtag din. Matagtag din minsan. In everywhere, ito ang ano ngayon, ang bulaklak na madami sa kalsada, sa gilid. Sila ang tumutubo, yung yellow. Nung spring ay buttercups. Ngayong summer ay yan naman ang pumalit. Oh, may tilaok. Titilaok. Titilaok. Ayan. Etong maganda dito, may lamesa dyan, oh, para sa mga bikers. Pahingaan. Dahil mahilig silang mag-adventure ngayong summer. Yung iba nagbabaon. So kami, ang baon lang namin ngayon ay tubig dahil bagong kain lang tayo, guys. They are here. Another batch. So iba pa yung una nating nakita, guys. Mas marami yung grupo ng unang nakita natin. Huh? Tainang kabayo. They are another batch, another group of bikers. Oh, they go under the bridge. Under the bridge. Ang bridge na ito ay bridge papuntang Holland. Yan. Ang bridge na ito sa ilalim. Yeah. May dalawang bikers doon pumunta sa kanal. Siguro manood ng mga ibon na lumalangoy. Again, the water is high.
Yeah, the water is really high.
More high today. Look.
Yeah, it's even higher than
Higher, yeah.
Monday.
Yes. Oh,
Oh, they
watch it, watch it.
French.
Watch it. Oh,
Goed dat we niet over de bruggen kunnen, otherwise I would go over the bridge and then make that tour in the sun. Ja, we kunnen.
yeah.
And they say it will have 3 months delay.
Supposed to be.
zat er ook contact in, Wien van Martizan. Ja man,
I cannot remember when this started.
there's a restaurant, tea room there. This man will not be happy.
Oh, yeah, of course. How can people go there?
Yeah, you can go, but you have to follow the sign, artisan.
Uh-huh. Okay. But of course, yeah. If he has many followers, then it goes. It's good.
People will still go, but
Mhm.
with the car to eat. But you know, it's always not good when you have fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Like it's
Yeah, I know. I saw. He is alone. Sometimes when I'm thinking when I'm driving alone, I said, why Belgian people have long life? And then I say, maybe because they use the bike. Yeah, it's a good exercise. Can you imagine when I saw 88, 90 woman who drives her bike? I am really amazed. How can that be? Yeah, of course, because the moment you can walk,
When we were child, bike.
yeah, it's
Make
it's,
ourselves a bike.
yeah. Look, again here. I've seen many older people driving their bike. Oh, mapapa. Yeah. Look at the birds. They are there again. Again here. No, in front. I use my mirror. I use my mirror at the back. Always. Oh, eto dalawang babae. So, yeah.
Many branches has fallen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh la la. Oh la la.
Yeah, over there also. I think this is a group. It's either two or there are only two. Now these cows are still walking for food. Look, kaya matataba kayo kasi kain kayo ng kain. Kasi marami kayong pagkain. Oh la la, it's hello. Oh, there is someone in the windmill. In the windmill. Yeah, on the ground. Because the windmill stopped, maybe he do something. Is the windmill has electric stair, elevator? Because elevator, ladder. Oh,
Yeah, you have to climb up.
oh my goodness! Can you imagine how difficult is it? The technician will go and climb.
Okay.
It's so high.
Yeah, of course.
There's no elevator.
You know how much that costs an elevator?
Yeah, but the company is also they can afford because it's a big company. I think not every technician go there and fix when there is a problem. It's it's not easy to go up. I think I used the wrong pens.
Somebody's coming.
From the back, yeah. I can see on my side mirror. Wow, talaga namang yumuko siya. Oh, baba. Ah, oh, ang bilis ni Kuya. Mas malakas yung motor ng bisikleta ni Kuya kaysa akin. 50-30 yata sa akin. 40-30 ang model. Sa kanya 40-40. Norta model. Mas mabilis siya. Ang dami nagbabike talaga, guys. Oh, they go under the sun. Oh, the other one is different. There's a group coming. There's a group coming. Galing likod, galing harap. Ang bibilis nila, guys. Sometimes I am confused looking at them. What if, isn't it, they are very close each other and
Every time they can do more, they should be after each other, not
yeah,
beside.
and then what if
Yeah.